Sa Old Testament, sa Deuteronomy 14:22 hanggang 29, be sure to set a tenth of all that your field produce each year. Eat the tithe of your grain, new wine, and olive oil, the firstborn of your herds and flocks, in the presence of the Lord your God, at the place he choose as a dwelling for his name, so that you may learn to revere the Lord your God always. But if that place is too distant, and you have been blessed by the Lord your God, you cannot carry your tithe, because the place where the Lord your God chooses to put his name is so far away. So yun, no? So ito yung parang yearly tithe nila ng mga Israel. So tingnan naman natin kung meron pang iba pang tithe, kasi ang alam ko may iba't ibang klase ng tithe. So yun yung yearly. So in a year, pagka nanganak yung mga herd mo, nagkaroon siya ng 10 more babies. So yung isa doon tatabi mo. Tapos dadalhin mo daw siya sa temple ni God, where the Lord God chooses yung place na temple ni Lord. Hindi lang siya isa, madami rin yung tithes. So, merong tayong Levitical sacred tithe. Sinasabi dito sa Numbers 18, I give the Levites all the tithes in Israel as their inheritance in return the work that they do serving the tent of meeting. So, may Levitical tithes.